Welcome back to Malayalam script class. Let us begin with the Aksharamala in this class. The vowel letters are A, A, I, U, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Consonants are Ka, Kha, Ga, Kha, Nga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La, Ra, Ra. There are 5 pure consonant letters also. Those are In, Il, and Il. Example words for in: Avan, Naran, Varan, etc. Example for in: Koon, Toon, Manvetti, Kanmashi, etc. Next, example for il: Vayal, Kayal, Paral, Nizhal, etc. Next, Payar, Parvatam, Paninir, Kayar, etc. The last, it is il: Aval, Idal, Kavil, Val are the words for il letter. Next, vowel consonant combination. Ma plus A, ma. Ma plus A, ma. Ma plus E, me. Ma plus E, me. Ma plus U, mu. Ma plus U, mu. Ma plus Iru, mru. Ma plus A, me. Ma plus A, me. Ma plus I, my. Ma plus O, mo. Ma plus O, mo. Ma plus Au, mau. Ma plus mum. Ma plus aha, maha. This symbol indicating the half sound of O. It is known as Chandrakala. There are lot of words in the language. Example: Kaada, Pere, Varava, Kaniva, Kai, Nilava, etc. Let us read some words and sentences. Tara, Vala, Tavala, Tamara, Tina, Neela, Pavilam, Ganga, Vinayam, Tapam, Vijayam, Sati, യമുന, ഹിമാലയം, താരം, ശരീരം, താമര, മലയാളം, ഭാഷ, വിനോദം. Now come to the sentence. വള വേണം, അവൾ വരണം, പശു പാൽ തരും, ഞാനാണ് അരുണിമ, വലിയ കഥ, ചെറിയ പാഠം, വലിയ മല, മലയാള ഭാഷ. ഇത് ആര് എഴുതിയ കഥയാണ്? ഞാൻ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം. അത് സുമതി എഴുതിയ കഥയാണ്. അവൻ വരുമോ? അവനും അവളും മൈസൂരിൽ പോയി. കേരളം മനോഹരമാണ്. നീ എവിടെ പോകുന്നു? Now let us see the gemination and cluster form of the letters in the language. The word gemination refers the doubling form of a consonant letter, often to indicate a change in the pronunciation or meaning of a word. This process is different from simply repeating a letter in writing. It often results in a prolonged or emphasized pronunciation of the consonant, and it can be represented in different ways depending on the language or writing system. Here are two types of gemination forms. First one is direct gemination and symbolic geminations. Direct geminations, same letter is repeated without any change, and it is written either below or near the original letter. This typically happens in language or script where consonants are doubled to indicate a longer or stronger sound. Symbolic geminations. In this case, the second letter is not written but is represented by a specific symbol that indicates the gemination or the lengthened sound. For example, in the Roman alphabet, diacritic marks or special symbols might be used to indicate gemination, such as in the case of some language using a special mark along with the letter. Let us go again through the consonant. Ka, gha, ga, gha, nga, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, dha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la, ra, ra. The first group of letters are called kavargam. In the kavarga group, ka, ga and nga having its geminated forms. It is the geminated form of the letter ka. It has to pronounce ikka. Words are kaka, pakkam, kalakkam, etc. The process of formulated to form vowel consonant combinations are possible with the geminations also. Now we can go through the example. Ikka plus a, ikka. K plus a, ikka. K plus e, ki. K plus e, ki. K plus u, ku. K plus u, ku. K plus ru, kru. K plus a, k. K plus a, k. K plus I, kai. K plus o, ko. K plus o, ko. K plus au, cow. K plus come. K plus ka. Now the next letter, it is ga. This is the geminated form of ga. Example words: vargam, sargam, swargam, etc. For the geminated form of ga, write the same script down again. Next letter is nga. There are two forms of nga in use. Both are permissible to follow. Come to the next vargakshara, it is chavargam. In this group, cha, ja and nya letters having its geminated forms. For get the gemination form of cha, just join this symbol below the letter. Example words: pacha, poocha, kacha, etc. Next letter is ja. When you write two ja letters next to each other without lifting the pen between them, making the sound ja rather than just ja. Example words: lajja, majja, etc. Next letter is nya. This is the geminated form of nya. Manya, manjal, kunya, vinya are the example words. Next letter ta. Geminated form is ta. Tattam, vattam, pattam are the examples. Next na. Example words are vannam, kinnam, tinna, manna, etc. Next ta. Tattamma, mattanga, patta are the words. Next da. Maddalam. Next na. Onna, ninna, etc. are the words. Next one is pa. Pappadam, kappa, appan, appam are the example words. Next one is ba. Rubber is the example word for this. Next one is ma. Amma, ammavan, ammumma are the example words. For ya, teyyam, vayya, payyan, etc. Next one is la. Vallam, vellam, kalla, palla are the words. Next va. Vavval, chovva. Next one sha. Muttashi, muttashan are the words. Sa. Assal, gassal, etc. Next one is la. Vellam, vallam, palli are the example words. Some more words are here. Pappadam, kappa, kapi, uppa, nanna, kandi, kannan, tatta, talla, amma, panni, ചുണ്ണാമ്പ്, വിണ്ണ്, മണ്ണെണ്ണ, മഞ്ഞൾ, പച്ച, മിച്ചം, വകുപ്പ്, അന്നമ്മ, താത്ത, ഈറ്റ, തെറ്റ്, കാറ്റ്, Pata. Next, cluster group of letters. Cluster letters are used where two or more consonants are written together, and the pronunciation of these clusters is also combined. These clusters typically occur when a consonant is followed by another consonant, and they are pronounced in a way that both consonants are articulated closely together. For example, cha, pra, tra, kta, etc. The pronunciation of these letters is often a blend of the sounds of both consonants, pronounced in a flowing manner without a pause between them. The clusters can also occur in the middle or end of a word, making the pronunciation of the word flow smoothly. Examples are dha, na plus dha, dha. Gandhi is the example word. Next, na plus da, nda. Chandanam. Na plus ta, nda. Chanda. Na plus da, ndha. Pandavar. Ka plus ta, ta. Rektam. Ka plus sha, cha. Pakshi. Ja plus nya, nya. Jnanam. Dear all, now I am wrapping up the alphabet class here. This is the final class for our letter series, and the alphabet groups are now complete. Keep practice the letters regularly for continued improvement. To enhance your understanding and skills, engage with books, movies, serials, and other form of social media. These resources will support your learning and offer better practice opportunities. Stay committed to mastering the language and keep pushing forward. Best regards. Thank you all.